Hi friends, today we are going to start ninth class state syllabus of mathematics. Here in that we have first chapter, that is real numbers. So before studying real numbers we should know some things. What are those? First one is natural numbers. Already you know natural numbers will starts from 1 and it goes up to infinity, right? And we denote them by capital N. These are called natural numbers. Okay, if 0 is included in the natural numbers, then that particular numbers are called whole numbers. Okay, if negative numbers 0 and positive numbers are included, then that particular numbers are called integers. These can be from minus negative to minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, all the numbers which are from minus infinity to plus infinity, all the negative numbers 0 and positive numbers will come under integers. Okay, and we have one more type, that is called rational numbers. Rational numbers we will indicate by q. We will denote them rational numbers by q, which are in the p by q form. Okay, rational numbers will be in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0, q should not be equal to 0, and p comma q should be integers. Okay, this is the condition for rational numbers. Okay, p by q form, q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. So this is a rational numbers. We have one more numbers called irrational numbers. We denote irrational numbers by q dash, and all the irrational numbers which can't be written in the form of p by q, which cannot be written in this form. Okay, we cannot write this particular root 2 in this form. Okay, p by q. Some people may ask doubt, sir, we can write root 2 by 1, it is in the p by q form. No. Okay, but you see the numerator which is there, that is root 2. Root 2 does not belongs to integers, right? What is the condition to be a rational number? P comma q, where p should be belongs to integers and q should also belongs to integers, but root 2 here not belongs to integers, right? So that's why rational numbers will not be in the form of p by q. So the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. The combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers, q and q dash, are called real numbers. That's it. Are called real numbers. Okay, are called real numbers. Combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Sir, why can't we combine these? Okay, can we write the definition like the combination of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers as real numbers? Actually, if you see carefully, all these numbers are rational numbers only. Okay, we can write minus 3 by 1, minus 2 by 1, 0 by 1, 1 by 1 or 2 by 1. So all the numbers which are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, we can represent all these numbers in the form of p by q. So that's why instead of writing all these, we will just write the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. That's it. Okay, this is the definition, and real numbers are denoted by r. Okay, capital R. Real numbers are denoted by capital R. Is that clear? This is the small introduction of real numbers. Where we use real numbers? In our real time. Everywhere, right? Everywhere. If you want to buy any chocolate, or if you want to buy any item from the supermarket, you are going to ask what is the amount, right? So he is going to tell like 10 rupees. That 10 is what? Real number, right? If you want to travel from one place to another place, the distance between the two places are measured by some distance, right? So that distance is suppose 50 kilometers. What is that 50 there? Again, it is a real number. Okay, so like this, real numbers are used everywhere. Without numbers, mathematics do not exist, right? So that's why this is the small definition of real numbers and natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Okay, rational numbers and irrational numbers. So, and we have other two numbers. Okay, those are called imaginary numbers, like 3i. Let 3i is called imaginary number. Okay, imaginary number. 3i is called imaginary number. This number won't exist in real time. Okay, we imagine this number, that is called 3i, imaginary number. Suppose if we write 3 plus 3i, one real number and one imaginary number. Okay, one real number and one imaginary number if you write, then the combination of one real number and one imaginary number is called complex number. Combination of one real number and one imaginary number is called complex number. So but this complex number will not come under real numbers. Why? Because this complex numbers contains imaginary number which can't be real, right? Which can't be real. In real world we don't have any imaginary numbers, so that's why these complex numbers will not come under real numbers. So that's why the definition is only combination of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers, but these complex numbers will not come under real numbers. Clear? Keep this thing in mind. Okay, so this is the small introduction of real numbers. We will move towards next topic in next class. Okay, thank you.